Robot vacuums look efficient in open spaces, but corners and edges reveal their real limits. Round designs naturally leave small gaps where dust collects, especially along walls and furniture legs. Side brushes help guide debris inward, but as they wear down, edge cleaning becomes less consistent over time. Some robots compensate with tighter navigation patterns, while others simply pass by and leave buildup behind. This creates the illusion of a clean floor until you check the same corners a few days later. The reality is that no robot fully replaces manual edge cleaning, at least not yet. What matters is how much work it reduces, not whether it achieves perfection. Understanding this limitation early helps avoid the disappointment many users feel after the first months. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Buy smart and save your money.